All right, so we're back at the house, and I laid all the wood samples I've made here on the table, and I tried to quickly sort them out on the left side with a more lighter tone, and on the right side with a more darker tone. And I got a little reference piece of unfinished oak here. It's European oak, all made of European oak, and it's made out of the same board. So yeah, same piece of wood, same piece of coloring. So it should be a very good reference for what the different tones of Rubio Monocoat can do to wood. Yeah, so let's go over them one by one. As you can see, if you can read my beautiful handwriting, pure sky gray, vanilla, mist, smoke, 5%, white, and agua. This is over here biscuit, ice brown, castle brown, ash gray, walnut, black, and charcoal, which is the darkest color I could find. So yeah, a nice combination of lighter tones and darker tones. I'd say the main difference or the main takeaway from these samples is that you, besides from of course the tones that they have, is that you also see a difference in the grain that is affected by the lighter and the darker tones, especially in the darker tones. You can see that. For instance, at the walnut and at the black, you see that there's really like etched into the grain, like the darker spots. Also, for instance, here with castle brown, you can clearly see that. Maybe not the best piece of finish. Maybe this is a nicer part, but yeah, you can still see that. Also with the lighter ones, you can also see that a bit, but it's less obvious. Let's see, for instance, with the white one over here. Let's see if you can see that right. Yeah, you can see that there's a little bit more etched into the grain, the white parts, the white lines. So as for the finish that is most like the unfinished piece of oak, I'd say it's a close between the mist and the vanilla one, but probably more the mist is the one that is most alike to the unfinished piece of oak. Yeah, and on the end grain you don't really see too much of a difference compared to the top part, where you can get a clear picture of what is going on. All right, so that's that. Putting them into the box right now because that is what I made it for.